I'm going to show you how to get a better connection in Parsec. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're using a wired network and not a Wi-Fi connection. And the second thing you can do is go to the settings and then the host tab and try to lower the resolution. So if the native resolution is 1920 by 1080, you can try to choose a lower resolution such as 1280 by 720. And then you can try to lower the bandwidth limit to stabilize the connection. So for example, set it to 10. And then you can scroll all the way down. And for the quality settings, you can set it to lowest latency, or you can try the balanced if you have a decent connection. And then you will need to enable the hardware encoding. So you can click on the edit the configuration file directly. And then you want to add this line right here, which is encoder underscore selection equals, and then the encoder type. So 0 to disable, 1 to enable NVIDIA and NVENC encoder, 2 is for AMD IMF encoder, and 3 is for Intel or CPU encoder. I'm going to set it to 1 because they have NVIDIA GPU, and then click on save and close the config file. And the last thing you can do is open up the task manager and look for apps that you no longer need and that are consuming the network. You can click on the network tab here to sort them by the most to the least, the most ones using the network. And now you can restart Parsec by clicking on Parsec and restart from here. And that should fix the connection issues and give you a better connection. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.